body healthy. Okay, how to boost your immune power so that in this pandemic situation you need to be very much healthy. Okay, so before going to the topic, let me say that Swifler is the India's most sincere learning destination, which you already know. And over here, all the classes are 100% live and interactive classes. Here, we give the personalized attention to each and every student because maximum 6 students are there in each of our batches. Okay, now thirdly, we have a very good dedicated academic mentor team who continuously track your progress and you will get the feedback so that you can improve yourself. And fourthly, we cover the syllabus as per your school examination schedule. So apart from that, there are other different types of things in Swiftlearn, like the PTM, as you already know, which happen in your school, also the doubt class and so on, right? So to enroll over here, please book a free trial class and experience all these features and enroll in our regular classes, right? So do not forget to subscribe also our channel on YouTube and press the bell icon so that you will never miss any of the update of the upcoming session. So don't forget to like, comment and share also, right? Okay. Now, moving to the topic. As I've already mentioned that I will give you some tips and tricks how to keep your body healthy, how to boost your immune power, right? This is very much important and this is the need for the hour that we have to fight out with the coronavirus and we have to keep our body very much healthy. Okay, now what do you think that which cell basically helps our body to keep healthy and which cell basically help to protect our body? That is no one but the white blood cell, which is present basically in the blood, right? This is the cell which continuously fight out with the diseases and fight out the different foreign invaders. Who can be the foreign invaders in our body? It can be the bacteria, it can be the virus, it can be the protozoa, it can be sometimes a fungus also, right? We should not keep them inside our body because they can cause a lot of different harmful diseases in our body. So continuously this white blood cells are fighting out with those germs and trying to keep our body healthy, right? So where do they live? Basically this WBC रहते हैं हमारे blood में और lymph में. Yes. Now अभी जो situation है, अभी जो pandemic है, you already know that WBC count is like WBC को हमें protect करना होगा, WBC count को हमें बढ़ाना होगा, right? Why? Because WBC is protecting our body. तो अभी ये WBC भी danger में है क्योंकि कोरोना वायरस is a new virus, right? We do not know about lot about it, right? We know a little bit about it, right? So this WBC will have to be increased within our body so that our immune power will be also increased. तो कैसे हम ये immune power को boost करेंगे हमारे body में? The first suggestion is sleep. You have to sleep at least 8 hours a day. Okay, in whole 24 hours at least 8 hours आपको बहुत अच्छे से सोना पड़ेगा, right? So that there will be no tension, stress will be very less and your body will be very much healthy. Your immune system will also work properly in your body. So sleeping is very important. Secondly, I would like to advise you some of the things like don't watch television till very night, okay, late night, like keep your mobile phone, television, computer off within 10 p.m, right? Study till 11 p.m and not more than that. I'm giving you this advice. Start in the next morning, early in the morning, but complete it within 11 p.m, okay? So whatever homework you have in your school, in Swiftlearn or anywhere else, please do it within 11 p.m and just leave it and again start in the early morning the next day. Fine. And the very important is, I already know that you are very much addicted with the mobile games nowadays because you cannot go out in this pandemic. So do not play till the midnight or we can say late night. Okay, please keep your mobile phone away after 10 p.m and keep it away from you while you are sleeping. So you can keep it in the table or in the hall. Yes. Okay, I think you will all follow these things, right? So, the second thing I would like to tell you is you already know good food will help you to maintain a very good life. So, good food मतलब कौन से food हमारे body के लिए बहुत healthy होता है? Now तो summer days are going on, so you will get a lot of different types of fruits and vegetables, right? So these vegetables and fruits are having a lot of juices, like citrus fruits. You will get the mango, you will get the watermelon, you will get the grapes and all, right? So yeah, citrus fruits and green leafy vegetables will help to keep your body hydrated. This hydration of the body is also very important, and this will add the vitamins and minerals in your body, and they will help to protect your body from different types of diseases, right? So please keep your body hydrated all the time. Drink lots of water, and fresh lime water, or you can have some tender coconut water also, or the juices of the different fruits. So fruit is also very important, and along with that, juices, water, and the different types of food which will keep your body very healthy. This is very much important in this hour. So let me give you one trick. So you can choose any one of the letter in one week, and starting with that letter, you can take the different types of food. Like for example, in this week you are choosing the letter M. तो M से start होता है क्या? मशरूम होता है, मिल्क होता है, मैंगो होता है. तो आप अभी इसी हफ्ते में मशरूम, मिल्क और मैंगो ज्यादा से ज्यादा खाओ. नेक्स्ट हफ्ते में कोई दूसरा लेटर आप चूज कर लीजिएगा, एंड यू विल हैव दोज फूड in that week, right? So the food options will be more, and more the food options, more the different types of nutrients you will get, and your body will have the maximum immune power, right? Okay, now this is very important suggestion. Please make your fruits as your best friends forever. How? You can have some fruit salad, you can have some smoothies, you can have some of the fruit juice, ice pops also, and fruit custards also. So fruits, as you already know, fruits and vegetables basically give you the protection in your body, right? Because these are rich in vitamins and minerals. This will help your body to protect from any sort of germs. So, as you already know, that the groundwork of all the happiness is health. Okay, it was said by League Hunt, the famous line. Okay, now let me give you some of the advice. Like, you can maintain some healthy cheat, right? Like having more and more whole wheat bread sandwich, the pancake, pasta with a lot of different vegetables, the different vegetable soup. So these vegetables and fruits will help to boost your immune power. It will reduce the stress, as well as it will give you all the different types of vitamins and minerals to protect your body from the different types of germs and diseases. The last thing I would like to suggest you is the exercise. Very important for now, because you are not going out, you are not going to the school. So exercise is very important nowadays. At least do a little bit exercise, at least half an hour or 1 hour daily, during the morning time or evening or at night after the dinner. Right? So what are the exercise you can do? Maybe the cycling, maybe jogging, maybe running, swimming also. Swimming you will not be able to do now, so you can do the walking, right? And also you can practice some of the yoga, meditation, as well as whoever are of you are the dancers, you can dance also. So physical exercise is very much important, as well as the mental exercise is also very important. Do practice the meditation. So, as you already know, the mental health is very important. It is the need of the hour, and keep yourself calm. Hopefully, we will all overcome this situation very soon. And please support the people around you also. Okay, so thank you for being with me through the session, and we will again meet with another video. And I think that you will practice all these things, whatever I have discussed today. Right? Okay, so let me again remind you, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon, and also like, comment, and share. Till then, bye bye.